Is Microsoft Word crashing? Maybe your Excel's not opening up, or Outlook is freezing up or running very slow again. Microsoft Office can act up for a lot of different reasons. Corrupt files, bad updates, or random bugs could all be on the list. The good news is Windows includes a simple repair option that is often very effective at fixing these issues without losing any of your settings or your data, so your files are kept in place. So don't worry, before you go ahead and reinstall or uninstall the program and panic, let's go ahead and show you how to use this built-in Windows repair tool so that you can fix the issue with just a few clicks. Okay everyone, so here we are. I'm on the Windows 10 operating system. This tutorial is going to cover Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating systems, and it's going to be super easy for anybody at home to follow. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to right-click on our Start menu right here, and go to Apps and Features at the top right here. Alternatively, if you don't want to do it that way, you can press Windows key and I, which opens up your settings, and then you can go to the Apps option, and then scroll on over to the first option, Apps and Features, which is where it drops you in by default, okay? Now, once we're in this list, I'm gonna go ahead and use the search because it's a little easier, but we're gonna look for 365, okay? And that is going to open up my Microsoft Office 365 program right here, obviously. And I am going to hit modify. So once we click on it, a box will open here with the option to modify. So I'm going to click on that modify. I get a user account control window over there. And then I get this awesome little repair window, okay? So it says, how would you like to repair your Microsoft 365 and Office programs? To be effective, I usually recommend doing the online repair, especially if you're connected to the internet, okay? Now, let's say you're not connected to the internet. Maybe your issue was so severe that you had to boot into safe mode when you came into the system, or you're having issues with connecting to the internet while using the programs themselves. You might need to do the quick repair in that situation. However, for most situations, especially when you're online, I would recommend, again, the online repair. So I'm going to choose that option, and I'm going to hit repair. Okay, now I got this dialog box asking me if I'm sure that I want to restart this repair. So it's going to download files to repair my installation, letting me know it could take some time, and this requires an internet connection because of the type of repair that I chose, the online repair. When I'm ready, I'll hit repair and it'll be underway. Now Microsoft 365 is repairing itself. Now after a very short time, it asked me to save my work before it could continue and finish the repair. So I'm gonna hit continue. That's completely fine. It'll let me know it's closing my applications out so that it can finish this repair up. Shouldn't take too long. I did have a couple Word documents open, but not a big deal. I don't need them. Make sure you save yours. However, if you have anything open, make sure you save it before you finish that repair. So now the repair is finishing. See here the progress bar as it completes its job. Okay, so the repair tool has finished up its job, okay? And so it's going to close out. And then if I had Office apps like I did on the other side, right now it's actually going to go through a reinstall. Wow, so it's going through a full reinstall. After it's done, I'll be able to open up my Office apps and see if the repair tool fixed the issue, okay? And like I said, a lot of the times it will. This is a pretty effective repair tool. It gets a lot of the issues that you might run into with Office, okay? If it doesn't, though, and you're still having issues, feel free to reach out to us. The number is always at the beginning and the end of the video and down in the description. We are My Computer Works. This is what we do. We make computers work. So reach out to us if yours is not working. We'd be happy to help. And make sure to hit that like and subscribe before you go so I can see you on the next one and provide you with some helpful tips just like this one. Thank you everyone for watching, and take care.